so much for stopping by my channel. This is Koena, and in today's video I will be showing you how I make my notes. So note making is pretty self-explanatory. Some people doesn't even need notes. They can learn from the textbook itself, but I'm not someone like them. I have to write my notes and then I can learn better. So for that I will be showing you my ways and my techniques how I make my notes. So now in this video I'll be focusing on three things. Now those are the things that I need while making my notes, how I write my notes, the format of my notes. I'll be showing you a sample of my notes in the later half of the video, and how much to write, so telling you that as well. So yes, without any further delay, let's go and see what I have on my desk. So the main factor I keep in my head while note making are easy to remember and score well. So here are the things that I need for note making. Now I need some colorful pens, a scale and pencil, paper or notebook where you want to write your notes. Now I'm a pen and paper person, so here comes my paper or notebook. Also the source from where you want to write your notes. So these are my previous year question paper. Now I need these previous year question papers for getting the important questions, like the important topics for different subjects. Also these important topics you can get from college professors or college seniors as well. Then while buying the textbook, make sure to get the right one. There will be a lot of suggestions in different places, but you have to make sure you get the right book for you. So while you go to a bookstore, make sure to read few pages of every book and analyze the language for you. If it is easy for you to learn, then take that book. Also the materials you can also get from libraries and internet. Now coming to note making, read the textbook word to word. If you find any words whose meaning you don't know, make sure to write it down and find its meaning immediately. Then after you find everything and done reading and got the important questions, then in your notebook, draw a margin in the side or at the bottom to write the briefs of your notes. So then basically what I do is I write the topic and the heading, then I write the pointers or headers, whatever you may call it. Then after that, with a different colored pen, you have to write the content of the points that you make. Now here you can pretty much understand what I'm trying to say, so it's better you understand from what I'm writing. Now in a note, the points are easy to remember. Also don't forget to explain the points. Even if you don't write full sentences, it's okay. Just write the points and the stuffs which explain the points, and you're good to go. And always remember, what you write is important, not how you write. Now in briefs, you have to write the summary of your note that you have made. It should be very short. Now I use different colored pens for heading and header, points and briefs. Now I'm a visual learner, and that is the reason why all these colors help me to remember stuffs. So using these different colored pens can be extra for you. So if you don't need all these colored pens in anything, you're good to go. So here is my note I have made on arrest. So this is how it looks. I have color coded everything. I have written everything in points because those are the way I find very practical to remember everything. Also down below there is the briefs I have written. Now 1-page answer I have completed in 3 lines, so you can understand what briefs are actually for. Also, making points are really very helpful in exams also. Even if you can't remember, points will help you to remember everything. Coming to how much you need to write. So there are long questions and there are short questions as well. So for long questions, I would suggest you to write like 3 pages front and back, like 6 pages in an A4 sheet. And for short questions, like short answers, you can write, like what I do is I write 1 full page, like front and back, that is 2 pages of an A4 sheet. That is the average way of writing according to the marks. That's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and comment down below. If you find this video helpful, if you think that there's some glitch or some points that I didn't cover, write that as well. It will help me to improve. And if you like it, yeah, subscribe to my channel and like this video and support me. So yeah, that is for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.